We know that f equals to, यानी frequency equals to omega by 2 pi. So then we can write I equal to q into f, and we can put the value of frequency here, and q into omega divided by 2 pi. So I becomes q into omega divided by 2 pi. So current produced due to rotation of charge around the nucleus is I equal to q over t equals to q times frequency is equal to 2 pi r divided by velocity is equal to q times omega divided by 2 pi. Divided by 2 pi. स्टूडेंट्स का क्वेश्चन है in a hydrogen tube number of protons are drifting per second is equal to number of protons drifting per second is equal to 1 into 10 to the power 18, and number of electrons drifting per second is equal to 2.7 into 10 to the power 18 in opposite direction. Photons is drifting in this direction and electrons are drifting in this direction per second. Then find current flowing in the tube. Current flowing in the tube. A conductor, hydrogen tube है. Inside hydrogen tube electrons are drifting per second, and number of electrons are drifting per second in opposite direction. We have to find current flowing in the tube. We know that I is equals to NE divided by T. By using this formula, we can find the value of current. Here I is equals to NE into charge of E divided by T. Ne represent number of electrons and Q represent charge of electron divided by T. This current is flow due to electron, and we can also write current flow due to proton is equal to Np into charge of proton divided by T. We can see that electrons are flowing in this direction and the proton are flowing opposite to the electric field, but the current is flowing in the direction of proton or opposite direction of electron. So the value of current is equal to IE plus IP both, and due to electron as well as proton. We can put the value of IE NE into QE divided by T plus NP into QP divided by T. We can put the value of Ne, which is given in the question, 2.7 into 10 to the power 18 into charge of electron equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 plus divided by T equals to 1 second, and plus number of proton equals to 1 into 10 to the power 18 into charge of proton equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by 1 second, and the result will be come out 0.592 ampere. I equals to 0.592 ampere. Second question. A copper wire, a cylindrical copper wire, cylindrical copper wire, cylindrical copper wire having length 2.5 meter long